You had a class right now?
Fine, sir.
Okay.
But sir,
Did you have a class right now?
so another class or this?
Before this.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Okay.
So, sir, last class I have not attended. Have you taught the electric flux?
No, not yet. Last class I discussed.
Sir, only the second law of thermodynamics you taught.
Second or third I taught in the morning.
No, sir. At 4 o'clock when I was attending the chemistry class,
No,
that
I
time
thought
you
this.
taught second law of thermodynamics.
No, I discussed the remaining questions of electric field. That
No,
time
sir,
it is
I'm
in the,
asking about the second class of the evening of electrostatics. Have you started electric flux?
no.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think you can start. This will be a very short class. Okay. Good evening, Vashi.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. So let us begin. So today we'll cover some small topics which need to be touched upon. Okay. These questions were given in your sheets, but I did not solve them. So let us try to do them. So first is 1D motion in uniform electric field. So basically we had a question like this, something like this, that there were two charge plates in which one plate was positively charged and another was negatively charged. Okay. And the resistance is given as D. This length is given as length. Sorry. Okay. And the potential difference between these two strokes is given as V. This is the potential difference. Okay. So first of all, you only tell what is the direction of electric field in this plate. Electric field का direction क्या होगा?
Downwards.
Yes. It will be downwards, right? From positive to negative. So electric field will be like this. ऐसे कुछ है. This is electric. Okay. So this is the direction of electric field downwards. So suppose I am placing some charge here, which is plus Q. So then we need to solve this problem. Okay. So we know that displacement of the charge will be ut plus half at square. Right. And we know the value of electric field is equals to V by D. Okay. This is little important. Electric field equals to V by D. Basically, electric field is potential per unit distance. We'll learn about this more in later classes. So yeah. So basically, you know, acceleration equals to qv by m. This will be force by mass, and then you can solve. V equals to u plus at, s equals to v square equals to u square plus 2s, and then substituting v square equals to u square plus 2 into QE by M into S. Okay. Here the value of S will be something similar, will be Y. Okay. So this is how we can solve the problem. If they ask what is the final velocity, what is the displacement, all these questions can be asked. Some cases can be that if initial velocity is 0, that means the charge is dropped from the top plate. So that time V square can be written as 2QE by M into 1. Okay. And if this Y equals to D, that means the charge is covering the entire distance from top plate to bottom plate. So that time we can write V square equals to QE 2QE by M into D. Okay. Or you can write this as kinetic energy equals to half mv square equals to Q into M. This is an important one. You must have studied this in chemistry, I think. That kinetic energy of an electron traveling in one dimension equals to Q into V. याद है कुछ किसी को? Atomic structure में पढ़ा होगा.
Yes, sir.
Remember, I think it is in Thomson's experiment. ऐसे कुछ. So this is how you can find out the kinetic energy, final velocity, and all these different parameters. Okay. So one thing to note here that actually इसमें आपने नया क्या सीखा? Only this part is new. ठीक है? Only this part is new. Rest other things you already know. You know these equations: V equal to U plus at, V square equal to A square plus 2S. All these different things you already know, kinetic energy and all. Only thing new you have studied here is that the force is Q by M and electric field is V by T. Rest else you already know. So it's not that you are learning something completely new. पहले के concepts को apply कर रहे हैं. बस आप force change कर रहे हैं. Gravitational force के लिए electrostatic force को बदल रहे हैं. ठीक है? ये clear है सबको? इसमें कोई doubt किसी को? Any doubts in this, Amisha, Amikshu, Aishi?
No, sir.
Okay. So there is 1D motion in uniform electric field. Similarly, we can have here 2D motion also. 2D motion in uniform electric field. So suppose we have like this. This positively charged, negatively charged. And now instead of the charge being dropped, it is given some velocity in the right direction. Okay. Let this velocity be u instead of v. Okay. So again, the direction of electric field will be downwards. So I'm just showing it once here. This is the electric field. So due to this electric field being downwards, what will be the direction of electrostatic force? Direction of electrostatic force? क्या होगा? That will also be downwards, right? Okay. So now, basically, we need to find out what is the path of this charge. The charge कैसे move करेगा? So basically, if you observe the charge will move something like this. Gradually bend. And from here it will have some final velocity v. and generally this charge is captured on a screen. यहाँ पे screen होता है. And the charge goes like this, and it hits the screen to create fluorescence. ठीक है. So more about this will be in magnetic field also. ठीक है, अभी के लिए देखते हैं. So I'm throwing a charge in the horizontal direction, and the charge is moving in a path like this, and it is hitting the screen at this point. Okay. So again, this can be solved in 2 dimensions, horizontal and vertical. So in horizontal direction, the initial velocity equals to u, acceleration equals to 0. Here initial velocity equals to 0, acceleration equals to qe by m downwards. Okay. So again, if you apply this equation, s equals to ut plus half et square. So in x direction, this will be x equals to u into t. In y direction, it will be half into qe by m into t square. And then solving, you can get the answer. Y equals to half qe by m into x square by u square. So there is an equation of what? Y is proportional to x square. ये किसका इक्वेशन है? जल्दी बताओ किसका इक्वेशन होता है? सर्कल, स्ट्रेट लाइन,
Parabola.
yeah. So there is an equation of parabola. That means the path of this charge will be of a parabola. Simple. Okay. And one more form we can write y equals to qe x square by 4ke. ठीक है, ऐसे भी लिख सकते. So this is the equation for a particle in 2-dimensional motion. Okay. Is this clear to everyone? Any doubts in this? Avikshu?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So it's a simple plan. So this 2-dimensional motion, 1-dimensional motion. Okay. So again, in this, various question can be asked. Question can be asked कि how much is the particle deviating from this path? ये distance कितना है? ये पूछ सकते हैं. या फिर final velocity पूछ सकते हैं. या फिर many questions can be framed using this. What is the equation of trajectory? तो ये पूछ सकते हैं. So you need not like कोई formula रट्टा नहीं बनना है आपको. You just need to understand it and understand how to derive this. उसके बाद आप आराम से कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Okay. So this is one topic which I wanted to cover. ठीक है. अभी एक और छोटा टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं जो हमने छोड़ दिया था पहले. Suppose we have a dipole. This is plus q. अच्छा, dipole नहीं, 2 charges are there, plus q. And you have kept a charge plus capital Q at the midpoint of this 2 charges. ठीक है. We are taking this direction to be positive. Okay. So basically, I had given a question to you. We need to find out the variation of electric field Ex when charge is moved along the dipole, along the line joining along the line joining the dipole. Okay. So this you need to find out. So basically, let us try to draw the graph also. So graph will be something like this. So this is electric field in x direction. This is, you can say, x. Okay, this is interesting. So there will be 2 points. This is minus a, x equal to minus a, x equal to 0, x equal to plus a. ठीक है, सब लोग को समझ में आ रहा है ना? Everyone getting what I am telling? Yes, Amisha, Aishu, Aishi.
Yes, sir.
What I am plotting आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Yes, Amisha, Aishu.
No, sir.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है?
Sir.
Okay. Basically, I am plotting electric field in x direction. ठीक है. Basically, if I have the point here, यहाँ पे electric field का direction क्या होगा? That I am plotting here. Then if I have some other point here, उसमें भी electric field का direction क्या होगा? I am plotting. Direction and value दोनों. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
ऐसा है. This plus a naught. This is plus a. Basically, plus a will be this point, and minus a will be this point. This is x equals to 0. Okay. So now, at this midpoint, where this charge is placed, here, what is the value of electric field? कोई बता सकते हैं? Electric field का value कितना होगा? Midpoint. Due to this plus q, the electric field will be towards the right, and due to this plus q, the electric field will be towards the left. And because the distance is same from both the charges, so the net electric field will be
0.
0. Very good. So at the midpoint, the electric field is 0. Okay. Now let us consider this point. What is the value of electric field? Net electric field will be towards right or left? Will it be towards left or towards right?
Left.
Net electric field here will be towards the left. Why? Because this distance is lesser compared to this distance, and charge का value तो same है. तो जो electric field होगा ये वाला charge कैसे? That will be more. Okay. So now how to plot this? This is towards the negative direction. Positive direction is towards the right. So net electric field is in the negative direction. That means electric field यहाँ पे कुछ negative value होगा. ऐसे कुछ. Okay. Now, if you go very close to this charge plus q, इसके एकदम पास चले जाएंगे, तो electric field will be in the left direction, net electric field, and इसका magnitude क्या होगा? The magnitude will be very large because the point is very close to this charge. That means इसका magnitude बहुत बढ़ जाएगा as you go closer to point A. And if you really go close, that time ऐसे कुछ नहीं। बेसिकली ऐसे कुछ है। ठीक है। So the electric field will vary like this. So near point the electric field will be very high. Okay. ये पहला चीज।
Sir, can you repeat this part again?
See, basically I'm plotting electric field. So first of all, I consider the midpoint. At the midpoint, electric field is 0. Then I'm considering another point here. So because this point is closer to plus Q, this second charge, and it is far away from this charge, that is why the electric field's net value will be towards the left, because इसका electric field थोड़ा ज़्यादा है। ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So that is why I'm plotting it here. Some point will be here, because it is in left direction. तो y-axis में negative direction में है इसमें, because left direction में। ऐसे कुछ magnitude होगा तो वो plot किया मैंने। ठीक है। Now as I go closer and closer to this charge plus Q, इसके और पास जाएंगे, जितना पास जाएंगे उतना इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का वैल्यू बढ़ेगा, राइट?
Yes, sir.
So that is what I am plotting, that the value of electric field is increasing, and as we go very close to this charge, it will tend to infinity,
Okay, sir.
because it is proportional to 1 by r square.
But sir, it is decreasing. Means according to graph, it is decreasing. Means that is negative y direction, not positive y direction. No?
मैग्नीट्यूड इंक्रीज हो रहा है, डायरेक्शन तो नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन है। Two things are there. One is magnitude of electric field, that is increasing, and because it is in left direction.
Sir, can you show the whole thing in numerical form? Means
न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म चाहिए।
थोड़ा क्लियर हो जाता है।
क्या पूछ रहे तो बता रहे। See, net electric field will be how much? This will be, this is distance x मान लो, so this will be 2a minus x. So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by 2a minus x whole square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by x. ठीक है, ऐसा होगा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। So because this value is greater, तो ये वाला वैल्यू कम होगा and ये वाला ज्यादा होगा, that means net electric field is negative। ठीक है, ये समझ में आ गया अभिषेक?
Yes. Yes, sir.
तो जितना हम ये पॉइंट Q के पास जा रहे हैं उतना हमारा x का वैल्यू कम हो रहा है, so this will tend to 0, that means this value will tend to infinity, तो माइनस इंफिनिटी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, क्लियर है?
हाँ sir.
Okay, so this is our left वाला part. Similarly right part भी होगा। So if you see this point, इस point में कैसे होगा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? कौन सा डायरेक्शन होगा नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड?
Right.
Yeah, so net electric field here will be in right direction. ऐसे। So if you plot it here, similarly यहाँ पे एक point आ जाएगा, and as you go closer to this point plus Q, electric field will be towards the right and its value will tend to infinity again. That means ऐसे कुछ होगा। The curve is like this. Okay, उसको erase कर देते हैं इस पर, इसकी जरूरत नहीं। So ये हो गया हमारा। So this is when you are finding electric field between the two charges plus Q and minus Q. Now अभी सिंपल है इसके बाद. If I see the point just beyond discharge Q, if I see a point here, just यहाँ पे, तो इसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. Yes, Aishi,
Right.
did you right? Because again this point is very close to this charge, तो इसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डोमिनेट करेगा. That means ऐसे go from this point to this point. तो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन चेंज हो गया, फ्रॉम लेफ्ट अभी राइट में हो गया. सो इसका ग्राफ कुछ ऐसे है. ऐसे go away away away, so electric field is like. Similarly, if I see here, ऐसे कुछ है. So is this clear to everyone? Any doubts in this?
Sir, sir, I have not understood the graphical part. Why it's going downwards in the first case?
This case?
No, sir, first one.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Why it is going downwards? Because electric field is in the left direction, so that is negative, right? So that is why it is going downwards.
But sir, the magnitude should be increased.
Yeah, it is increasing ना. Yeah, magnitude तो increase कर रहा है ना. It is tending to minus infinity.
So can't it be upwards?
Yeah, upwards होगा तो direction कैसे दिखेंगे? You have to show the direction also. See, if electric field is in right direction, so you have to plot it in somewhere here or here. If electric field is like this, because we are plotting electric field like this. And if the electric field is in the negative direction, so then you have to plot it somewhere here, because it is in the negative direction. So, clear?
Okay, sir.
Basically, electric field is a vector, so you have to show both the magnitude as well as direction.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir. Okay. So अभी समझ में आ गया होगा. Hey, don't worry, I'll share the notes. आप अच्छे से बना सकते हो. So similar to this, आपके पास और 2-3 प्रॉब्लम. So I'll just make the I'll just make the charges. This is plus Q minus Q. This is minus Q plus Q. This is minus Q. Okay. Again, you are placing at the midpoint a charge plus Q. ठीक है. So ये 3 आपके लिए होमवर्क है. You have to plot the same graph, electric field versus x, तीनों के लिए. इसको भी सिस्टमैटिकली करना अपने नोटबुक में. You have to plot ex versus x. This is a homework for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Avishu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इससे आपको कितना आता है समझ में आ जाएगा. It's easy only. You just have to apply your concepts. ये हो गया हमारा homework. ठीक है. So I'll just teach one small topic and I'll leave. We'll test me. So the topic here is a very interesting topic. Electric lines of force. There is the topic of discussion. Electric lines of force. Check. So let me first draw lines of force for isolated positive charge. Okay. So there is a point, there is a charge basically. This charge is plus Q. So there is an isolated charge. Okay. Isolated मतलब इसके आसपास कुछ नहीं है. No other charges, no other fields. And we are just keeping this charge. Okay. So basically, this concept helps us to visualize the electric field. Okay. We saw that every charge has some influence around itself. So that influence is the electric field which we calculate. So this has to be visualized also using this concept. Okay. So how do we do this? So basically, we try to see at every point what is the direction of electric field. Suppose I take a point here. Okay. Basically, suppose I place a charge here. A charge +1. Okay. So what will be the direction of electric field? ठीक है. Are you there? सुनाई दे रहा है आपको?
Sir, will you please repeat? It's not coming clearly.
Basically, I'm placing a charge plus Q here. ठीक है. And I'm trying to find out what is the direction of electric field around this charge. Okay. So this is a +1 charge which I've kept here. So what is the direction of electric field? It will be upwards. Right? Similarly, if I keep a charge +1 here, again the direction of electric field will be upwards. Similarly, as I go along this line, always the direction of electric field will be upwards only. That means I can draw a line like this. ठीक है. So basically, this is the direction of electric field along this line. ठीक है. Similarly, if I take a charge +1 here, that time the electric field will be which direction? It will be in downward direction like this. Yes. Suppose I take another charge here +1. So what is the direction of electric field? Basically, it will be towards like this. Similarly, I can do it like this. In the opposite direction also. Okay. If I take a charge +1 here, Now the direction of electric field is like this. Yes, yes. And if I take a charge here, तो electric field का direction ये होगा. ठीक है. So basically all around the charge, if you see, there are these lines, imaginary lines. Okay. Along which the electric field is present. ठीक है. So there is the significance of electric lines of force. Now you can understand this in one more way. Suppose instead of seeing this as electric fields only, suppose I place a charge here, +1. If I place a charge here +1, then I can say that this charge will move along this line, right? Because ये direction में उसको force लग रहा है. So I can say that this charge will move along this line. Similarly, if I place a charge here, then I can say that the charge will move along this line. ठीक है. Similarly, if I place the charge here, the charge will move along this line. ठीक है. So one more way of looking at this is that it is a path along which the unit positive charge will move when placed in the electric field. ठीक है. Is this clear to everyone? Solo clear है क्या?
Sir, can you repeat the last line you said?
I told कि basically if I place this charge anywhere, so this line represents the path along which this charge will move. Okay.
Yes.
I just write this down. Sorry. It is a path along which a unit positive charge moves when placed and electric. It is represented by So this is the definition of electric line of force. Okay. Achha. One thing to note. Basically, this will be uniform. This lines of force will be uniform along all the three directions. Achha. Will it be 2D or 3D? That I want to ask. Will it be 2D or 3D?
2D.
Please be careful with your answer. How will it be 2D? Yes, Amisha.
So it will always move along the line joining the centers of the charges.
It will always move along the line joining the centers. And that is okay, but इसमें 2D का क्या meaning है? If I move a charge along the z-axis, suppose this is x-axis, y-axis. If I move the charge outside this plane, ये plane के बाहर अगर लेके आए, so will not यहाँ पे charge यहाँ पे electric field नहीं होगा क्या? उसमें electric field होगा बाहर की तरफ. Yes.
Yes, sir.
If I go in negative z
हाँ.
direction, यहाँ पे चार्ज, तो यहाँ पे भी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगा, राइट? ठीक है.
Hmm.
So that is why this is not 2D, this is 3D. Okay. Even though I have drawn only 2 dimensions, but electric lines of force will be in 3 dimensions. All the 3 dimensions will be there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, if you plot for what you can say, isolated negative charge, actually आप खुद ही कर सकते हैं. For isolated negative charge, so this is minus q. So you can plot the electric lines of force for this. ये भी आपका होमवर्क है. इजी है, आप कर सकते हैं. ये हो गया हमारा for this. और भी होमवर्क है आपके लिए. So this is plus q, this is minus q. So you have to plot the electric lines of force for this as well as this combination. It's plus q, this is also plus q. तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए भी आपको इलेक्ट्रिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स प्लॉट करना. ठीक है. तो ये भी आपका है होमवर्क. काफी सारे होमवर्क में लाया जाता है. ठीक है. सो सबको समझ में आ गया एकदम अच्छे से? कोई डाउट इसका?
So, what's the last question?
In this question also you have to plot the electric lines of force. जैसे आपने सिंगल चार्ज के लिए किया था, अभी 2 चार्ज के लिए करना. सिंगल चार्ज के लिए किया था ना आपने, मतलब हमने asked what about for plus q. So now these
Yes,
two
sir.
charges are placed together. Now you have to draw the electric lines of force for this combination.
Oh, okay, sir.
So basically आपको यहाँ पे भी hint देता हूँ. You just place this charge plus 1. Try to place this charge everywhere and see what is the direction of electric field. ठीक है. Try to find electric field due to this, electric field due to this, and solve it. तो ये hint है छोटा सा आपके. Okay. Is it okay? Avinshu?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay. So this ends our short class today. ठीक है. So in the next class we'll start flux and yeah. ठीक है. So आप लोगों का टेस्ट है छोटा सा. It is हमेशा रविंद्र दे रहा. Topic is I have already showed a topic. It is thermodynamics and fluids.
तो ये क्या कल का है?
हाँ.
और केमिस्ट्री का क्या होगा सर?
केमिस्ट्री का सर ने पोस्ट किया ग्रुप पे एक्चुअली. पता नहीं. ठीक है.
और मैथ्स का फुल होगा?
मैथ्स का तो सर ने बताया होगा, हमको नहीं पता. I don't know.
हाँ वही फुल होगा.
ठीक है. ठीक है. वैसे आप भी दे सकते हैं टेस्ट अगर फ्री है तो. Are you free tomorrow?
No, sir, I actually have classes at that time.
संडे को भी क्लास होता है आपका?
सर वो दूसरे कोचिंग सेंटर का.
बाप रे.
सर कल और कौन सा टेस्ट होगा?
और कौन सा मतलब?
मतलब वो मेंस का एग्जाम छोड़ के और कौन सा होगा?
नीट का होगा।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है।
और कौन सा होते हैं? एडवांस का देना है क्या? ये एडवांस का करेंगे थोड़ा बाद में फिर। ठीक है। सो एनी डाउट्स इन दिस क्लास? कुछ पूछना है आपको क्लास में जो ही पढ़ा है? यस।
So,
ओके,
No, sir.
ठीक। सो एंड द क्लास नाउ, सी यू ऑन मंडे।
thank you, sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर।
नोट्स तो आप अच्छे से नोट कर सकते हैं।